Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Range Rover Evoque. So we go to music, let's see, we don't want that one. Bad Moon Rising, that'll do. So Creedence Clearwater, we'll click on play. You'll see at the bottom, this is playing at the moment, there's no sound coming out of the radio. If I click at the bottom there, you'll see we've got the phone set right. There's a tick next to Range Rover Evoque. So anything that plays on here, whether it be YouTube, soundtrack, iTunes, Amazon Prime Music, whatever, it will play through here if we have it set right. So now we go over to audio video. You've got My Music here, that's on radio at the moment. Click My Music. You'll see there's no plus there next to My Music. And it tried to connect to an iPod, which is obviously what the person had before. But now it's not connected and there's a plus on it. We'll click the plus. Here we go, CD, iPod, USB auxiliary, Barry's iPhone. Click on that, and now if I turn this up, that's it. That's how you play music, stream audio. Brilliant.